Now it's time, ready to cook.
The pan for the next one.
I got 4 pieces of that.
Now, I got 5 pieces.
No, leave it there so I could get it washed off. And for the next.
Taking a video.
Yeah.
Well, it has to be cool though.
Can't just burn them.
Two sides.
This is toasting in the oven.
And we could put some
Already
brown butter
sliced
on
pieces.
This was the first one.
Here, film
I
Grandma
made
browning
this.
the butter.
I made
Stop,
it.
because
A
we
little
don't have enough
too
film.
brown.
Grandma's gonna brown the butter, so we can dip the pagash in it because that's what we do in the Minkoff Pilch family.
But this is too brown.
It's not.
Oh my
hot.
god, it's shaped as a heart. Look.
Grandma, it's not
Can I
hot.
get
Can we
below
cut
you?
it?
I need that small pan.
Hannah,
Hannah,
do it.
it is
do the
hot.
can.
It's very hot.
Move, Sophia.
A small pan there.
This one.
No, yeah.
Here, let me hold
Sophia,
this.
hold this.
Look, as you
Now
see,
put
it's
that
kind of
on
like
the
a
burner.
heart.
Yeah. She's putting the butter in here, and then we brown the butter. Try this one.
No, right there.
Sophia, move away from here.
Moving. And that's mine. The biggest one. Pretty big.
You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to make a cross.
Oh, should I do that?
No, that's done now.
Oh, you can't do
You
that.
can do it on that one.
Why do you make a cross?
Just the way I did it.
How do you do it?
Well, leave the wax paper.
It's kind of thick. Is that okay?
Hi.
Just make your cross.
Okay, should I press it? I'm gonna press it down a little bit.
Not too much.
This is mine. I was the one who rolled it.
And say it as you're doing it. You know, Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Father, Son.
You make a cross.
Okay, Grandma. Is this good?
There's a cross. See it?
This kind of looks.
Cross.
What?
It's awesome.
Oh,
See the
you
cross?
can't press this too much to the dough. Is this supposed to rest on there?
Let's go over to Noah and my mother and see what they are doing. Say hi, Mommy.
Hello, this will be for Aunt Stacy. It's her little Sunday.
Yeah, we are wrapping these right here. They're little quilt things that are fluffy, like pillows. They're pretty, like you can hang them on a
This
wall.
one will be for Aunt Stacy.
And there's my brother, the phone, being his candy cane, watching TV.
Actually, his truck isn't coming until later tomorrow.
The Sweet Life is Acting Cody.
Yes, good save, bro.
Okay, so maybe they can come up for that.
Your replacement called.